Stupid. What the fuck? Hell, what the fuck? What the hell is this?
Dumpling, look what Daddy has. Why does he hate this?
What are you looking moody for? Moody. What on, fam? What's his barbed wire there? Don't do that. Oh, shit! What's wrong with the cow? I've got the boat, quick, go! Oh, I fucking thought of...
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still
Don't touch it. Yeah, that hurt.
Good morning, cows!